Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2023 Kia Picanto X line. Now of course you get your LED daytime running lights, which you can see are the four rectangular shapes on the headlights. You get four automatic headlights as well. You then get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels. Of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do actually get. Now of course, with this being a 2023, it is in great condition. There's not a single scratch or scuff on this car. You've got rear parking sensors. You've then got a reversing camera just up at the top here. Then coming into the tailgate, we've got just enough room as this is a micro hatch. You then get 60/40 split folding rear seats just to increase the boot capacity. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have got your full black leather interior. You've also got a nice little bit of yellowy green stitching. You've got Isofix mounting points at the bottom, full electric windows all around, keyless entry and start, and then you've also got your automatic gearbox. You've then got two front heated seats, stop start off and heated steering wheel, two cup holders in the middle, which you can see pop out just there. We've got your climate control in the middle just here. Then of course we've got your touchscreen display. This comes with your satellite navigation, comes with your various radio sources which are here on the left hand side. You've then also got your various media sources just here, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Then coming over to the steering wheel now, we have got your voice assistant, source select, volume, track select and Bluetooth hands-free on the left. Over on the right hand side we have got your cruise control just there. We've got automatic headlights, and then of course, as you can see, with this being a 2023, this car has only done 1,288 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Picanto, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.